papas munanasqani ñuqapas wayunasqani apaspa apakun waypusaspa pusakun wasimanta wasichaykiman llaqtaymanta llaqtachaykiman wasimanta wasichaykiman. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah? Okay, my name is Pamela and I am going to about the natural weaving process. To take a picture is no problem. Yeah? Okay, for example, and this one is the sheep wool. Yeah? For you cat, we use the piece of cloth. When animal is alive, we use the scissor or a knife. Okay? For washing the wool, we use the natural roots. En quechua is sartana or sach aparacay. Is natural detergent, natural shampoo. We call it Inca shampoo. Yeah? It's good for washing the hair, prevent the gray hairs. In this community, we don't gray hairs.
We need some of that.
La pianta, come si chiama?
Sartana. O sach aparacay. For filters, the natural bucket, we call it suisuna in quechua name. Yeah, you can see the bubble. Yeah. The bubble no is made of flour, the sheep or other detergent is natural. Yeah. You can see the sheep wool is very dirty because they don't never take a shower. The same process is the baby alpaca or alpaca wool. The process,
Salud.
is the same process. Is the
Muña. Ah,
tea.
okay.
Yes, the mint tea is good.
Gracias.
It's good for the algae. Thank you.
Ja, Muña ist gut.
Yeah, you can see the different after to dry in the sun. Then we pass the spinning the wool. We can spinning is cooking, dancing, singing, playing, or carry the baby.
Ja.
For all. The break is no problem. It's arranged together.
Mhm.
You can see.
Ja.
The thread is for calculate the ponchos or blankets or sweaters. Yeah. Then we pass for the colors for different colors, different plants, mineral leaves, and insects. For example, the most liking is for orange color. For the purple color is the purple crown. For different yellow colors is the koji flowers. Yeah. For the gray color is the tara. For different blue color is the tricornen. En quechua is quinzacucho. Yeah. For different green color is the chilca leaf and eucalypto leaf. Yeah, it's from the green colors. Yeah. The most important is the red color is the beetle insect. Yeah.
Ah, sì?
Yeah. For example, and this is the cochinelle alive.
Ah, coccinella. Ah, ok. Coccinella la conosciamo.
You can see, and this is the cochinelle alive.
Yeah, I know.
It's from the
We
red
have
color.
in Italy. Yeah.
Okay.
And you dry it?
Yeah, it's from the different red colors. The cochin.
Yeah, you dry it?
In which way you take the red
Color.
color?
Yeah, it's the polder.
Pulse.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, in this moment, the sacrifice fulfills the colors. You can see.
Ah.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. For change the colors, is sol from maras. You can see.
Ah, chiaro.
For other tonality, yeah. For other color is the alum stone. Yeah, the cochineal we can get 24 different red colors. You can see. Yeah. The cochineal we can get 24 different red colors. Yeah. The cochineal in this community is the lipstick. Is Inca cosmetic. Yeah. Yeah, resistant 24-hour, 100 kisses.
Okay.
100 kisses.
Yeah, it's very cheaper, very economical.
Yeah.
Yeah, for example, the cochineal has to boil in 35 minutes. Yeah.
Boiling. Ah, okay.
For example, the ilkalip has to boil in 1 hour because the leaf
certo.
is fresh. Yeah. For fish the colors or for change the color is sol from maras, alum stone, and volcanic stone. Is for fish the color because the color is permanent, is forever. Okay. For example, the black color, the white, the brown, the beige is natural color from alpacas, and this no day. Yeah.
Yeah, certo.
Yeah, then we pass the table runner. The table runner, the principal is the bone. I have one question. What kind of bone is? Whose bone is this?
It's a bone.
Yeah. Is the femur. Which bone is?
Alpaca.
No?
I don't know. Sheep.
Nobody?
Sheep?
No? And this is the human.
Human.
Yeah. Okay. Is that tourist bone didn't buy anything?
Oh, okay. This is good.
Nice, Ayo. And this is the llama bone, alpaca bone,
Okay.
not the tourist bone. And Quechua name is rookie. Yeah? It's for to tie the table runner because the table runner is waterproof. It's very, very. Yeah? The different design represent the flora and fauna. For example, in this design in Quechua name is Mayukenko represent the river. And this design is Loraipo. Loraipo is the plants medicinal, good for stomach. Yeah? The zigzag, the green color represent the mountain. And these two circles represent the lake. And this community is two lakes. Piurai represent women and other Waipo represent the men. The duality and in women and men. And this S represent the Inca calendar. Yeah? For finish the one table runner is 1 month. 6 hours every day. The table runner no include the border is other word. Represent the Inca princess eyes. Yeah? The border is only from here because in Pisa Joyatitambo Machu Picchu no include the border. The different the design and the border. Okay? Okay, thank you so much for your visit and attention. I'm sorry I don't know speaking English very well.
No,
You speak so good.
Perfect.
Thank you so much. And this how we work 20 family, the different community of Chinchero. Please have a look at the different word, the different product. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
The black is llama. For example, the white color is alpacas.
Alpacas.
This one.
Yeah.
They are nice.
And this is the sheep.
The sheep is
Yeah.
baby. No. Tengo a la giacca.
Sí.
No, io miro. Temporella del tavolo.